loves! Welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well, and by the way, thank you for tuning in today. And for those who's new here, please consider subscribing. That means a lot to me. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I make my banana bread. This is going to be a moist banana bread with chocolate chips. So here are the ingredients. So I have here the banana, of course. So we'll be needing a 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, and this is a 1/3 cup of melted butter. We'll be needing also a vanilla extract, baking powder, 1/2 cup of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon sugar, and we have 2 eggs in here. I do have here 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 cup of chocolate chips, and 1/4 cup of raisin. Raisin is optional. So what else I'm forgetting? I think that's all. So let's start baking. Alright, so let's start off with our flour mixture. So before I start, by the way, I have the cinnamon sugar in here. If you have an allspice as well, that would be good, but I don't have it available right now. This will add more aroma and flavor for our banana bread. So now let's put our banana mixture to the flour mixture here. Let's just dump it like that. It smells so good. Alright, so let's put some chocolate chip on top. And we're gonna bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 65 minutes. Alright, love, so here's the moment of truth. Alright, so look at that. Alright, loves, my favorite part of the show, it's taste time. There we go. Wow, this is the first time I made this with chocolate chips. This banana bread is absolutely packed with flavor, a combination of three: the banana, the sweetness of the raisin, which is optional, and plus the chocolate chips. I recommend you try this at home, and this is perfect for snacks. And perfect for coffee if you're a coffee lover. I think I'm just gonna finish this off the camera. Please like this video if you learned from this recipe, and please subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Keep safe, everyone. Bye. Mwah.